Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your Realme 9i child's device. First you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. To do this, open Settings application, scroll down and choose Users and Accounts. Choose account to remove. On the right top corner, press on two buttons, two to-do dots, and choose remove account, and OK. Confirm your fingerprint or pattern, and cool. Now you need to add child's account on this device. But remember, if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore either you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know. So press Add Account, Google, and log in into child's account. Enter child's password. Then press Next. I agree. Scroll down and choose Accept. Cool. Now go back and open Google. Cool. Here, scroll down and choose Parental Controls. Get started. Child or teenager. Next. Wait a while. Select child's account to supervise. And now you need to log into your account in parent account. Enter email and enter password. Choose Next. Wait a while. Scroll down and enter child's password again. Tap Agree and choose Allow button. Choose Next. Scroll down, choose Next. Scroll down and choose Next. Okay, choose Skip, and go back to home screen. Cool. Now, after setting up parental control on the child's phone, you need to configure it on your device. To do this, go to the Play Market and install Google Family Link application. Open it. Go down and choose Get Started. Cool. Here we see the child account we just add. Select it and cool. Here we see that we can fully control the child's device. We can block his phone if he uses it for a very long time, and we can also block a separate application. To do this, scroll down, choose View All Apps, and for example, I want to block YouTube Music. So find here YouTube Music application. Tap on this button and choose Block. Wait a while and cool, YouTube Music was successfully blocked. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment these videos, and bye. See you.